knees, knees, knees. Noun. Definition: the joint between the thigh and the lower leg in humans. Example: he will be out for the season after having an operation on his knee to repair cruciate ligaments. Noun. Definition: an angled piece of wood or metal frame used to connect and support the beams and timbers of a wooden ship. Example: the deck and hull are through-bolted on an inward flange and structural knees and bulkheads are securely attached. Noun. Definition: an abrupt obtuse or approximately right-angled bend in a graph between parts where the slope varies smoothly. Verb. Definition: hit someone with one's knee. Example: she kneed him in the groin.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.